Hello, fan and light enthusiast. Whoa, Braxton Vintage fan light guy here. So what we got here today is a Emerson Petal ceiling fan. This is a remake video of it because I've not made a video of it since 2020, I think. It's been a little while since I did a video of this thing, so I'm doing a remake of it. And I've done a few updates with it, as you guys can tell. Just turn off the light because I don't think it's going to look well with the light. You guys actually can see it, okay. So I got a floral globe on the light kit, as you guys can see, for one. And for two, I've replaced the flywheel. Where's the flywheel at, actually? There it is. So here's the flywheel. It's really warped. It's not in the best of condition anymore, so I'm probably going to toss this. And as you can tell, the spokes are getting bent, so that's not good. That's really not good either. So, if you guys want to look at the video, actually, I've got a video of me replacing the flywheel, which is my previous video, as you guys may know. So yeah, that flywheel is on its last leg, so I decided to go ahead and replace it. And I'm kind of glad I did, actually. But we'll find out why I'm glad in just a sec. Starting off with light. As you guys may saw at the beginning of the video. I think I'm just going to leave it off. Yeah, it looks good. It looks better off. Because you guys, it's a little darker in person, but on camera it seems like it's the correct brightness, so fine with that. And I've also put a new cap in it because I was discovering a burning smell from it. So, but I was able to. But since I replaced it, I've not been getting that burning smell. So I'm surprised. So that's really good. And the new cap has a slower low speed, which I'm fine with. Medium is the same, and high is the same as well. So, yeah. As you may notice, the blades are no longer out of clock. That's because of the flywheel. So, yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy with this. That video worked out well, actually, other than that blooper. Oh well. Yeah, there's low speed. It's gonna go a whole lot slower. I'm just gonna slow that down. Yeah. Keep that going. I just don't want it to stall on video. Yeah, it's a cool fan. It's really cool. That low speed's going really. It's very aesthetic. Doesn't seem like it's gonna stall though. It's speeding up a little bit. So let's put it on medium now. Love that floral globe on it. It looks really good on it. I'm curious as to what I can feel from air. I'm actually starting to feel a little bit of air on medium. That's surprising. These are really made for looks, but not really air movement, which I'm surprised that's pushing out some air. Because I'm feeling some air. Yeah, feeling a little bit of a breeze. If you have a perfectly aligned flywheel, you get a breeze. That's good to know. That's medium right there. Now let's put it on high. Ain't wobbling a single bit right now. Wobbling a slight bit on high, but not bad though. I'm kind of glad I replaced that flywheel actually. Yeah, feeling a breeze. Directly underneath it is where you get the breeze, but surprisingly outwards you don't really feel air. So I don't know if I want to put this anywhere in the house, but I don't think I'm going to because my grandma doesn't like white fans, so I'm just gonna keep it in my collection. I was lucky enough for the Universal to go in the back bedroom, which I will probably be doing a remake at some point on that thing. So yeah, it's wobbling a little bit, as you guys may notice. Now spin down. Love that reverse pull chain. You can't even see it. It's on the other side of the switch housing over there. facing towards the window. Just readjust that camera stand. That's better. Got this chair here. So it's probably going to take a little bit. Bearings are a little stiff still, but nowhere near as bad as they were when I first got it. I think it was just from use. I don't know if it was from use. I don't know actually now that I think about it. Since I put zoom spad, the bearings have freed up quite a bit, which is probably to be expected. So. It's already coming to a stop. Okay. And blades are plastic. I forgot to mention that. I'll show you once it stops. So I think it was made for outside, but I'm not. Don't correct me if I'm wrong. If it was made for outside, so that's plastic. So here's low reverse. Don't really use reverse very often, unless it's cold out or unless it's freezing down here. Right now it's a good temperature because I just put this thing up not long ago. Honestly, it's a really good display fan. I'll be very honest. Let's put on medium reverse. Surprised it's not even wobbling in reverse yet. Yeah, it's a lot better with the light on. You can't really see the flowers on the globe though very well, so. And here's high reverse. That's a shocker. There's no wobble in reverse. It's regurgitating though. So. What's the word for it? It's doing this though. You guys can't really see it, but it's doing that. So. Stop this thing. Don't want to ruin a good flywheel though. Alright. 0 to high. Gets up to speed rather quick. And I think this is not a 52-inch because on the video I made of this a long time ago or a while ago now, I said it was 52 inches, but I was wrong. It's 50 inches based on other people's videos. Although I've not seen many of these on YouTube. It's mainly the one in the museum, so which I think that one might have been replaced by now with a different pedal. So yeah, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, have a great rest of your day, folks, and peace.